Hello and welcome to the TFJJ. Now today I'm picking up my new car. It won't be much of a surprise as it's very similar to my last car. But yeah, I'm going to take you around it, talk you through it, tell you why I've gone for this one. So before we begin, I'll just give you a little reminder of the old car. This was a 2019 Fiesta ST-2. Came with a few things as standard, but there's a few things on the new car that I wanted, which include the limited slip differential, which this car didn't have. But I did like the metallic paint on it. It's been very reliable, done over 20,000 miles and can't really fault it. So without further messing about, this is the new car. This is a Ford Fiesta ST Edition. It's not got a really specific name, it's just called the Edition. It's got these new full LED headlamps compared to my old car. You get those as standard on the ST3, but they look really nice. You've got gloss black, bigger wheels, 17-inch wheels, red brake calipers as well. A lot of black detailing around the car, on the front of the car, even on the badge surrounds on the ST logo. You've got this new paint colour, which I believe is just called Azura blue. Looks very similar to what you get on the Focus RS. As we move around the back of the car, you can see again lots of black detailing. You've got the black roof, you've got the black boot spoiler, got these new, I think they're steel exhaust tips, and then obviously black trim on the splitter. This is one of 300 of the edition that come to the UK, 500 in total, so it will be quite rare, although you know it is still only a Fiesta, but I think it looks really cool. You can see it's got a lot more road presence than the old car. You've got that ST logo coming down from the wing mirrors on the floor, puddle lights I think they call it. Here we go then, I've got my Fiesta ST back in London. It's the next day. The blue looks pretty good out in the sun. It's very bright compared to the last car, but yeah, you can really see all these black contrasting panels now and the black roof. Really is a different animal, this. Just show you the inside now I've got a bit more time. But yeah, you can see the sort of satin effect. Carbon, not real carbon of course, but it looks pretty good. It looks better than the last car. And then 6-speed manual gearbox, which is always nice. Got wireless charging now. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, which will come in very handy. Didn't realise it came with that, which is cool. Also got a reversing camera as well. And all this is in red now. You've got a designated sport button on the wheel. So yeah, it's pretty good. I'm loving these new seats. Really cool seats, I think. And yeah, it's just time now to hear it.